Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can screen record directly in CapCut PC. No extra apps needed. Whether you want to record your gameplay, tutorials, or PC screen for YouTube or TikTok, this step-by-step guide will help you use the CapCut screen recorder tool like a pro. So first you can just open the CapCut PC application. And once you're on the home page, you'll see the record screen option. So just click on that and you'll see this like this size. You can choose which part of the screen that you want to record, whether you want to record in full screen or only a certain parts. Let's say I'm going to just only choose this parts right here. And here, if you are on laptop or you have your webcam, you can also choose to turn on the camera or not, and also the microphone in here. And if you're ready, now you can just click on start recording, and the CapCut PC screen recording will start. And if you're done, you can just tap on this stop button. And that will be this pop-up of the result right here. If you want to trim your video, for example, you want to trim the beginning of the video, you can just drag it like this on this part. And here you can also edit it on CapCut PC by clicking on edit more. You can add auto captions, you can enhance voice or change the voice. And if you're done, you can just tap on download to save the screen recording video. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use the screen recorder in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.